I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Hi guitar stars, this is a nice easy lesson. I'm going to teach you how to play I Hear Thunder. This is an easy lesson for beginners, and all you need is to play on one string, which is this high E string, and then on the B string. So those two strings, that's all you need. And then we're going to play up and down the neck of the guitar, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, we have to tune our guitars. So open up the app called Guitar Tuner. That's, if you can see on my phone, that is this one here. So I'm going to open that app. There we go. Now it's open. And now what we can do is tune our guitar. So I'm going to press this E button here. And then I'm going to check if my E is in tune. Yes, it is. So it'll make a noise. So you can start on the E, then go to the A. That's in tune. And then I'm going to go to the D. I'm in tune. Then I go across to the G, and I press that button. And I'll try to play that one. Ooh, that one is out. You can see it's. So I have to tune that one in. It should sound like this. There we go. Then I need to go to the B, which is this one here. We're there. Let's hear how that sounds. It's also out of tune, you can see. It says I must tune up. So let's tune up. That means you must tighten this button here. There we go. And now all we have to do is tune the high E, and that's this one over here. That's the last one. That's the one on the very bottom of, that's the last string. So this is the low E, that's the high E. So the high E, we need to tighten it a little bit. So, because it says, when I click E, it says tune up. It says tune up. So let's tune it up. See, I tighten it here. And when it makes that noise, glunk, glunk, it means that now I'm in tune. Now I can play my guitar and it's going to sound nice because everything is in tune. That's how it should sound. You play yours, it should sound like this. Now we know it's in tune. Sounds good. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a very easy song. The song I'm going to teach you is called I Hear Thunder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen over here. All right, so this is going to be the first part of the song. So these are your frets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're only going to go up to 9 on this one. So you don't need to go up to 10. So we're going to play the high E. That's this one. And we're going to just play this with our finger, with this finger, or with this thumb. So an easy way is with this finger. So we just pick it like that. You see? So what we're going to do is go like this. 0, 2, and then with your third finger over here. So we're going to go 0, 2, 3. Wait. 0, 2, 4, 0. Like that. Easy. 0, 2, and then use this third finger here to reach, stretch up to number 4. So 0, 2nd fret, 4th fret with your third finger, 2nd fret with, 0. This is 0 with no fingers on the frets. 2 on the 2nd fret with the first finger. 0, 2, and then move up, stretch up to the 4th fret with your third finger. Good. Go back to the second, go back to 0. So 0, 2, 4, 0. Try that. 0, 2, 4, 0. And again, 0, 2, 4, 0. Nice and easy. So how we're going to play the song is, it goes, I hear thunder, I hear thunder. And then you get the next part goes 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. See, even I make mistakes, and I've been playing guitar a long, long time. So it's okay if you make a mistake. You make a mistake, just start again. So it's going to go 4, then with your second finger there. So with your first finger on 4, then add your second finger. And now you want to add your little pinky finger up here on the 7th fret. So go like this. It's a little bit of a stretch. Nice and easy. Okay, you try. So from the beginning. 0, 2, 4, 0. 0, 2, 4, 0. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. We're going to do it again. So now we're going to sing it. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. The word hark is a really old-fashioned word, which means to listen. So it's like someone saying, I hear thunder, I hear thunder, hark, don't you. It's like, listen, don't you? Do you also hear the thunder? So that's what the word hark means. It's a very old-fashioned word. We don't really use that word so much in English these days. We would say like, don't you also hear it, you know? Or listen, don't you, you know? So, but we're gonna sing the original song, which is Hark, Don't You. So let's try that again. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. So practice until you get that right. So remember the hark part, you go to 4. So it's 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. Nice and easy. Okay, again. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. That's easy. Okay, so this is the second part of the song. This part is pretty tricky. So you can see it goes 7. It starts at 7. So count on your fretboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you start up here. 7. And remember, when it goes to 9, we're going to add a finger here and add a finger there. So it's like you go like each finger gets a fret. So 7, 9, 7. So this part goes like this: 7, 9, 7, 5, 4, 0. 7, 9, 7, 5, 4, 0. Okay, so 7, 9, 7, 5, 4, 0. But when you go 5, 4, 0, I want you to use this second finger. So you can go like this, 5, 4, 0, but it's much quicker if you go like this. Second finger, 5, 4, 0, 5, 4, 0. So, sorry. So it goes, pitter, patter, raindrops, pitter, patter, raindrops. And then the last part is very easy. It's going to go high E with this finger, and with your thumb, you're going to pick the B string, and then the E string again with this finger. So these two fingers, if you had to pinch your guitar like over here, they play those two strings there. So it goes like this. Let me see if I can make this screen bigger so you can see what I'm playing. So it's going to go like this. So try that. So this finger on the high E string and your thumb on the B string. So you're going to play like this. Try this. It's like you're walking with your fingers. It's like you're walking like that with your fingers on your guitar like this. So the last part goes like this. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. So let's do pitter patter raindrops. So pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Okay, do you think you can do the whole song? Let's see if you can. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning again. So it's going to go like this. Always, you can use this finger to pick with. So go like this. 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 2, 4, 0. Okay. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, hark don't you, hark don't you. Okay, next part of the song. So we start this next part up here. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Let's do that again. So let's do the whole song. I hear thunder, hark don't you, hark don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. That's the whole song. See you next time. Okay, so that's the whole song. It's very easy. So you use this finger here, and you're just gonna play with, you're gonna go use the high E, and you're gonna play up and down the fretboard all the way up to, you even learned how to go up to the 9th fret. So that's very good for a beginner. So let's do the whole song again. If you can remember it off by heart, if you practice it over and over, you'll remember it off by heart. So let's do this again. I hear thunder, hark don't you, pitter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you.
I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you. I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you.